Hi, welcome to Cloud Tech Bucket. In this video, we're going to show you how we can restore the cross-platform. I mean, we have Hyper-V infrastructure and the VMware infrastructure. So what we will do, we will restore the VMs from Hyper-V to VMware virtual machines, and from VMware virtual machines, we will restore it to Hyper-V virtual machine. So let's get started. As you can see, under the virtualization, in hypervisor, I have two types of hypervisor. So the number one is Microsoft Hyper-V, and on second, as you can see, we have VMware vCenter. So in both of the hypervisor environment, the backup is running. I have the schedule policy and all those things. Okay. So under VM groups, I have this Hyper-V schedule, Hyper-V VM groups, and then VMware VM groups. So let's start with Hyper-V first. So under this Hyper-V VM group, as you can see, my backup was successful yesterday night. So let's get started from here. Click this three dot and then click on restore. I will restore full virtual machine, and I'll select this VM, and you can browse from your latest backup or any specific date from which date you want to restore the VMs. But in my case, I'm going to restore from the last backup. I'll click on restore. Then we will select out of place, and if you click here restore as, you'll see VMware vCenter and my vCenter server, as I have single vCenter server integrated here, so it's showing over here. And then I will choose the access node. I have access node, which is access node 1. And then click next. Here, as you can see, we have a message like we need to select the hypervisor where this virtual machine will be restored. So let's select that. If we click over here and then select ESXi, or we can select from here the destination host. This is my data center, and I have a cluster, and under this cluster I have two hypervisor hosts. Two vSphere node. I will restore on node 1 and then click save. As you can see, we don't have that here right now, and the destination data store will be vSphere num02, and I will use the same name into my restore environment. And as I know, I don't have any VMs like this name, so that's fine for me. Then click next. I don't want to send them emails. Click next. From summary, we can see what will be the restore type. Restore type is out of place. Restore to VMware vCenter. Destination is my vCenter server, and access node is my Linux access node. So in my previous video, you can see how we can deploy the access node. Okay, and then the destination host is my vSphere node 1, and then the data store name is vSphere node 2. Now let's click on submit. Okay, can go to the job details. So into these job details space, we can see the progress, and also if we click on job here, we can also get the status from here. Let's wait for a couple of minutes that we monitor the progress from here. Okay. So it's showing 47%. We'll need a couple more minutes. Let's wait for it. Okay, so the restore operation is complete. Let's log into our vCenter server. So as you can see, I logged into my vCenter and I can see this virtual machine has been restored, but we have a message like the network is not assigned. So let's do one thing. Let's go to edit settings and assign a virtual NIC over here. So you will add a network adapter, and then I will choose a network So VM network is good for us. And then I will increase the CPU so it's boot faster. I will also increase the memory site. Okay, then click OK. So rest of the things are okay. Let's power it on. Open console. Okay, the VM is booting up. Okay, VM is powered on now. Let's try to log in. If we can log in here. Okay, yeah, we can log in. So from Hyper-V to VMware, it's successful. Now let's try from VMware to Hyper-V. Okay, let me check which IP this VM gets. Oh, okay, that's fine. Let's get back to our VMware VM to Hyper-V. Okay, so I'll go to protect, then virtualization, VM groups. So this time we'll choose VMware VM as we have backup. We'll click on restore. Then we will restore full VM, and I have this VM backup, so I will select this and then click restore, and we'll choose out of place, and we will select a different hypervisor like VM or Hyper-V, and then as you can see my Hyper-V cluster is listed here. Let's select a access node. We have two access node here, so I'll select this first access node and then click next. We got the message like we need to select the next step, like the destination Hyper-V host. So we can click anywhere, and then we can click on configure restore options, and here I will choose this virtual machine name. That's fine. And in my Hyper-V cluster I have two Hyper-V, so I'll choose the first Hyper-V, and then the destination folder I have a cluster shared volume, so I will choose that cluster storage. Under the volume 2 I have this Hyper-V folder. I'll choose this folder, and then for the VM disk configuration I'll choose the same folder. Let's see. So as you can see we got the same disk folder. That's fine. And we will have to select the network adapter. So we have a Hyper-V switch, which is the switch underscore VLAN 200. So that's fine. Everything's good. Click save. And now as you can see we have this tick mark. That means all things are good. Now click next, and we can exclude this. I don't need the notification because I will actively monitor these. And I will choose these options like copy the virtual machine with a new unique ID, and disk provisioning I'll choose the auto, and then click next. So this is the summary. So it's going to be out of place restore operation and restore to Microsoft Hyper-V, Hyper-V cluster, then access node, and my destination Hyper-V host will be SQL-DB01, and then destination folder and the network. So everything seems good. Click submit. Okay, we can see job has started. Click view jobs, and the job is running. Or we can click on the left side, we can click on jobs. From here we can also see the progress of the operations. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. After completing the restore, we will get back to our Hyper-V host and we will see if the VM is there or not. So let's wait for 5 minutes. Okay, the job has been completed, so the restore operation is successful, let's get back to our Hyper-V host. Okay, so this is my one of the Hyper-V host. On host 2, I have this VM running over there, and on host on, as I can see, rock underscore VM on this VM, it comes up here. So let's go to settings and see if everything is good over here. So the network adapter is connected, then memory is 4 GB, that's fine, and 2 virtual CPU seems good. Let's click OK. Let's connect it, and then I will power it on if the VMs is powered on or not. Let's check it. Okay, seems it's booting up. Yep, it's booting. Okay, so the VM is currently running, up and running. So that's how we can restore the cross-platform VMs, like from VMware to Hyper-V and Hyper-V to VMware. So thank you very much for watching. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Bye bye.